Hello, here is one more explanation so that you can meet the target. I can make my own area model to accurately multiply. We want to be able to multiply accurately, and the area model is a good way to make sure that you are accurate. It's also a good way to make sure that you understand what's really happening when you multiply. So all multiplication can be described as a rectangle, the area of a rectangle. So in this one, we've got 20 and 3, which means we are multiplying 23 by, we've got 10 and 5. So we are doing 23 times 15. And the answer to 23 times 15 is in here, all these little squares all over. If we counted all those up, that would be the product, or the answer to 23 times 15, because I have 15 rows of 23. But instead of counting them all, I am going to make a model of that big visual. I'm still going to break it into 20 and 3, and I just do that to make it easier to multiply. It's easier to multiply the little parts than to multiply the whole big thing. So 23 is on the top, 15, whoops, I'm going to break this into 10 and 5. So this is a simplified rectangle that's showing what's over there. So 10 times 20, well, 1 times 2 is 2. I've got a 0 here, a 0 here, so I'm going to end up with 200. Now, if the 10 came all the way over here, the 10 and the 3 would meet, so we'd say 10 times 3. If you're not sure about 10 times 3, you can always find 10 on your multiplication chart. Go over, here's 3, go down. Here's where they meet up. They meet up right here. 10 times 3 is 30. Okay, the 5 and the 20 meet right here. You probably know that 5 times 2 is 10, and I'm just going to place that extra 0. Now the 5 and the 3 would meet right here. 5 times 3, let's see, here's my 5, go over, oh, we already did the 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Now I just add these all up. 200 plus 30 is 230. 100 plus 15 is 115. And now I add this all up. 5 and 0 is 5. 3 and 1 is 4. 2 and 1 is 3. So all together over here, this whole thing is 345. We had 200 red squares, 100 blue squares, 30 yellow squares, and 15 green squares. They all added up to 345. If you didn't write all this down as you watched, back this up, get out a piece of paper, and write it down now. That is how you're going to learn it, is by actually writing it as you watch. Then ask your teacher if you have questions about it, and go back and do your assignment. Okay, good luck. Good luck with your math.